Hello again, folks. It's Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. And the unit we're demonstrating today is sent in by Joe from St. Louis, Missouri. That's my hometown. This is a Craig, let's see, model number. This is a Craig 3129, actually a Craig Pioneer 3129. Not a bad little deck. And this customer, was originally a quadraphonic deck. When the customer sent it in, he knew that the right rear channel was bad, and he said that he doesn't need quad. He never buys quad tapes, and all he needs is back is a stereo unit. So we're going to demonstrate that right now. This will be a very quick and easy test. It's just an 8-track player with no radio, no conversion. Don't even need the output level meters for this one. I'm sure you can hear the shift from left to right when I work the balance control. So let's start. Yep. Okay, work our balance control to the left, to the right, left, right, and back to center. And all that's left now is to switch tracks a bunch of times, make sure that works. Alright, going to eject. It's got a neat little eject button here, and it just pushes the tape out far enough for you to grab onto it. Now you do need to completely remove the tape on this model before you reinsert it, because the mechanism stays in the middle of a cycle until you actually pull the tape out. So let's try some Jeannie C. Riley, everybody's favorite.
I'll never leave here anymore. It's Monday morning, 4 o'clock, that's my same back down out here where the free more words with just 4 letters than the dictionary ever had. Sing me no sad songs and shed me no tears. Left Mary, low like a cat.
Okay, and we'll just try it. Just pop a little Anne Murray in here, just for double assurance, triple assurance. Get a blank spot on the tape.
These are the things love is made of. People fall in love.
Keeping the song short so I don't get nailed for copyright.
Tonight you find courage to tell him so many things do fall through. Raining in
Alrighty, so we've confirmed that the thing works. She's ready to go back to the customer, and I'm ready to get on to the next job. This is Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. Needless to say, if you have an 8-track unit either for home or for car use that you would like to have serviced, you can reach me at 928-533-9666. And as you probably know, I also do FM conversions on classic car radios. I can add a lot more output power, Bluetooth, USB, auxiliary input, and maybe even a few other cool features. Thank you very much for watching and listening. My website is in the description below. We'll see you next time.